Hello everybody, I know I normally don't show my face. I usually do stuff with these guys back here or my snake or whatnot, but this video is asking for help. So I was in the kitchen feeding my baby jumping spiders. Should have closed the door to the room that my cockatiel is in, I know, but didn't think he would jump out of his cage and go over to the cockatoo. Thankfully, he is he's not bleeding, but he does need to see a vet. I'll show you a couple pictures here. Let's see if I can. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's one side of his face. And then here's the other side of his face. Thankfully, he's not like too. I mean, he wouldn't really let me take a picture, but he's like not happy. This is after I picked him up. See, he's like not bleeding. Oh, that's a snake. Sorry. He's not like excessively bleeding. This one you can kind of see right here. Right there. He's on top of his cage. He's up there. He's not too happy. He might be hurting, and we got a flat tire also, and that tire needs to get fixed, so we're gonna have to use our extra money on that. And I'm asking for help, just even if it's like $1 or something. So if anyone can help, even 50 cents helps, that would be great. As you can tell, I've been crying, I'm worried, I'm scared, and I don't know. Sorry, it just sucks. You want to do best by your pet, and you can't, because you get a flat tire. I mean, I have the flat tire's on the F-150 truck, so it's not going to be cheap. But yeah, if anyone can help, I think 200 is what I put the thing at. This is the GoFundMe number, or link, or whatever. I don't know how well you can see that. No, screw it. I'll put it in the description down below. Thankfully, spiders. I mean, yeah, anything can happen to a spider. But if anything happened to my bird, I'd be devastated as well. I just don't know what to do really right now. He's relaxing up there, trying to sleep. I gotta keep an eye on his drinking, make sure it's not getting swollen or pussy or anything like that. So yeah, if anyone can help or knows anyone, or if you share, can share this, that would be great. Sorry, this is a sad post, but they always fight. Those are my husband's rats. But yeah, if anyone can help, that'd be great. I'll put the GoFundMe in the description down below. So if anyone is able to help out, that'd be great. If not, you guys are still awesome. Thank you for the 19 followers or subscribers. I think I have 19. Let me double check. I'm looking on my computer. Yeah, I have 19. That's pretty awesome. Not bad at all. And I appreciate all of you, even if you don't watch all my videos. Yeah, this is upsetting, not something I was expecting to happen. But I did get warned by one person, if you have a cockatoo, they can be mean to cockatiels. But yeah. Alright, well, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified for when I upload, because I do have happier posts, don't worry. And I'll probably be posting an updated video on my new ball python. Yeah, I'm kind of really glad I didn't get the bigger dragon now. Would have been way more expensive. Alright, well, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever time you're at, because I think I have some UK people that watch me. I know I'm subscribed to some of you guys. But yeah, bye.